So in my Microsoft Windows Word computer I type a plus b all square, and this video we discuss how to type like this a plus b all square. For typing this squared symbol, okay, the first step is you must go to your keyboard and to type, okay. The first thing is you must press the shift key and this 90 at the same time for creating this bracket. Then after that you must type a, then again you must press this shift key and plus key, a plus, then you must press this b. After that again you press this shift key and this two you must click this shift key and this key for closing that bracket. And after that you must if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. After that press and hold this alt key, don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 0178. After typing 0178, release your finger from this alt key. You can see that a plus b all square we have created in Word. Or another method is after typing like this a plus b, if you want to put a square here, then you must type here like this 00b2, type like this, and after that press this this is the alt key and this is the s key. You must press these two keys at the same time, then again the same result, a plus b all square. For more videos you can subscribe.